Right, we're back, and I've done a lot of it. I think you can see on the turret, the actual, if I put it slightly, see all the places where the actual it's gone in. What I did is I forgot about it. I just put a bit of odourless thinner on a brush, brushed it in the area I wanted to do, and then did it, and it worked really well. So it's in there. We've got all the bits of crevices and done, and all the way around. Done shovels with a bit of orange clear, and I did say that, and I didn't show that on the video. I just painted it on. It's not too bad, and once it's had a bit of matte varnish all over it and been tied in, it'd be okay. So everything's doing quite nice. The exhaust, oh yeah, I can't fall off. There's the exhaust now. Got a bit more rust on it. I'm going to do a wash on it with rust later on to give it a bit more detail. So now I've got to do some more. Now what I want to do now excuse me, is I've started to see what this pale grey blue would do, because this is the tape that goes all the way around it, all the way around to the exhaust. Now just tried a little bit to just see if it goes, and we're going to do that now. So I'm going to take the turret off because I don't want that on there at the moment. Whoops. There you go. Take this off. So it comes off, and I can put it back on there. Whoops. If I can put it in there, that's it, then it'll stay where it was. There you go. Won't fall over, but you can see what I mean. If I do this, got all the weathering round. We've got to do a bit more weathering later on, but I'm going to do a clear coat between each bit so that I can actually protect what's been done previously. That's the idea of it. So what we're going to do now though, I'll move that because I've done that as well. Just shows up, not very brightly, but it's actually been with it. You can see that it's got a two-tone effect on it. So let's put it over there. That's all right. Got to shake this up again. I'm going to get this and put a little bit in there. Another top. I've got another two more downstairs. Got to bring up. So I can actually bring it down a bit more. Oops. I've learned my lesson though. The tools, I normally put the tools on painting, but for this one I will actually do it different. I'll put the actual 3D bits on it, the P bit on it, but I won't paint them. I'll paint them off and then put them at the end, because I think it's much easier doing it that way. And this will be okay though, even though I could do this. But the exhaust is definitely on my next build of whatever Matilda would be definitely done. There we go. Might do a bit more. I think you can see it. Right, we're going to have a little brush, and it don't matter about mucking it up because I can actually I might get a new, no, where's this one? No, I'll get no, we'll go with this brush. This should be alright. If not, I'll get a smaller pingy one. There we go. I'll get my headphones on, as I say, my goggles, and we're going to come into it and do it now. I think you can see me. Yeah, you can. So we're going to be doing that. There is a texture on it, so I might go round some of it with a finer brush, but at least I can get the most of it done. There we go. No, I'm going to get a new brush because I think it would be much better and easier with a new brush. I'll wash this one out because it's still usable. I've had this one out for a long time, so it's not as if it's a new brush. It's been about a bit. So there you go. Put that over here. I've got a set of these brushes on Amazon once, and they're quite good. Right, let's get a decent one. Got two more of my smaller ones. I think that one will be it. See, I've got the smaller ones in here as well. Whoops, put that there. Small ones, I've still got some more of those. I've also got the brush set from AK as well, so pounds a long time. Oh no, it's Abalone 502. I've got a full set in a case, and I haven't used them yet. Right, where's my new brush? Oh, there it is. Oh, I've got to get this in. Get it out. There you go. Is that over? That's my water there. Oh, there you go. So here we go. Back in with this now. Now I can get in there with this one. I'm going to fill that little gap with paint. Get a bit around this way. I'll go underneath it later and get the stars on it, but I don't want all the paint to lay on it, so put it straight around so it leaves that pattern. So when I come in with a rusty wash on it, because the pipe would rust underneath, I believe. This was just to stop the heat, I think. And it would discolour, so the grey is my idea, just to get it going and make it definitive as well. Sorry if I'm not talking very loud or talking, because I'll let the chair do the squeaking. Might be best to leave off. Someone else left this bit off as well, so I might do the same next time. So you can paint it separately. Just slip it on when it's painted. But with a wash on it. Right now, so I can actually get rid of some of that colour as well. Normally, if you get a brush with a bit of water on it, I can use the other brush away. Where's that gone? There it is. A bit of water on it. And you can actually wash that bit off because it is water based. There you go. That's done. That's good. That bit anyway. And carry on. Don't think mine is in there, hopefully. Every time I look up it's not, but See, I'm trying to keep the pattern now. Oops, that was no good, was it? I did that bit. Like you see, just take it off because it's more brace. And it again. Stake hand. Let's get a bit of water in here again. Dry, but brush was too dry. There you go. Let's use this one to soak it up. There you go. Give that one a wash later. I'm having to hold my hand up so I. I've got a bit more of this to do, just a tad. It's not too bad. Looks better in real life than what it does on there, on the screen. Here we go back on this side now. Excuse me. I don't cough as much now, but which is good. Do a bit more this way now. Definitely a job for that. I'll make a note of this to do this basically and then paint it. I know a lot of this will be covered up with a bit of wash again later on, the dust. Okay. But it's nice to keep it clean if you can. I didn't I thought this was going to be a shelf granite, and it nearly did the second time because I. The next one's got a set of tracks coming from 3D ones, and they're workable. So I'll be able to. I'm going to leave the side plate off again so I can work on everything, and then put it back together at the end. But yeah. So clean the basher clean up. There you go. Right. Well, I'm going to come back when I finish this bit, and I can show you. Back in a second. Right, we're back. We've got finished, and I did it all round the back as well. So it's all done. So that's going to be left to dry now, and yeah, quite pleased with that so far. So, but I will definitely leave this bit off until last, and along with the tools, because I think it'd be easier to paint that and give it a really good paint job. Well, it's not too bad, but not fantastic either. But like I said. Every now and then you get a kit. I was nearly stopped at least twice on this one. So anyway, so we'll see you in the next segment. See you in a minute. Well, back, and this will be the last segment of this update, I think, because I've got to this point and I've got to clear coat it later, and I'll do that in the next video. And I've changed the shovels thing. I went back over with from one of the old wood sets to actually basically paint it again, and I've liked that colour better. It just doesn't stand out quite so bright as the others do. So there you go, with a wash, and the spade's still got to be done a bit more treatment on. I'm quite happy with that now, and I might as well take this out now. Let that completely dry. That's looking quite nice now, and that's going to have to receive a wash. That's not going to stay that grey, even though, you know, it's just a nice starting colour. I can go around and put a bit of wash on it to bring it back, a white wash or something, or a slightly rusty rust, because I've noticed some of them actually look as if they've got a bit of rust on them in coming through the cloth, like the material. So the exhaust is actually rusting, and the stains are coming through. That's what I meant to say anyway. So that's what we'll be doing with that most probably. Put that back on there. Right, just had a cup of coffee brought up for by the wife. So what we're going to do now is switch off now and let this completely dry before I go any further now, and I'll clean up the brushes as well. Right, see you in the next segment. Here it is, and happy modelling.